Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and foolproof way to send an Excel file through Gmail. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, by the end of this guide, you'll be able to send your files quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure the Excel file you want to send is saved on your computer. This step is crucial because you'll need to locate the file when it's time to attach it to your email. If you haven't saved it yet, just open your Excel file and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or documents folder. Trust me, it makes the next steps much faster. Next, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, start a new email by clicking the Compose button, which you'll find on the left side of the screen. A new email window will pop up, ready for you to draft your message. Now comes the important part: attaching your Excel file. Look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window, click on it, and a file selection window will appear. From here, navigate to the location where you saved your Excel file. Select it and click Open. You should see the file attached to your email ready to go. With your file attached, it's time to fill in the email details. Enter the recipient's email address carefully. Double check for typos so your message doesn't end up in the wrong inbox. Next, add a clear and informative subject line. This helps your recipient understand the purpose of your email immediately. You can also include a short message in the body, providing context or explaining what the Excel file contains. A little note can go a long way in making your email professional and easy to understand. Finally, give everything one last review. Make sure the attachment is correct, the recipient's email is accurate, and your message is clear. When everything looks good, hit the send button. And just like that, your Excel file is on its way through Gmail. Sending files doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. With these steps, you can quickly and confidently share your Excel documents anytime. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.